Are you serious? Are you serious? Well, we're very serious. And today our guest on our live broadcast, Steve Olson from WSO. And he, of course, his YouTube channel, constantly keeping a close eye and the different theories and observations and pictures coming in from all over the world of all kinds of phenomenons going on in the sky that may be related to Planet X. Matter of fact, right now, his latest two videos are the October reversal of the solar wind. Now, there has been rays being spotted across the sky coming from the direction where the sun isn't. Okay, the sun would be on one side of the world. You walk out, there's sun's over here, and there's rays of light coming from the other direction. People are trying to understand what in the world is this. And matter of fact, I have to say, I know Steve Olson talks about this, and and so we're going to have him on. We're going to ask him some questions. But I actually talked to a young lady who actually showed me this exact phenomenon when she was shopping, and she had her camera, because these rays of light, this was down in Louisiana, and the rays of light were coming one direction, but the sun was the other direction. Okay? It wasn't the sun's rays. These rays were coming from a different direction, and the sun was over here. And she actually took her camera and went like that to show you what was going on. She was so freaked out by it that she literally took her camera to show how that works. And she showed it to me on her iPhone. And she's from Louisiana. So what I'm trying to tell you is, and Heidi and I were looking at it, just kind of shaking our heads like, I don't understand. You're asking the wrong guy here. But we do have, BP Earthwatch was on our broadcast last Friday and Sunday night. Also, Mike from around the world was on last Friday. Of course, we know what happened last Friday. Early in the morning, there was this wave, a ripple wave of energy from somewhere that literally showed up on all of the meters and broke down the electromagnetic sphere, the magnetic sphere around the Earth. This ripple happened 3 days in a row, Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. 3 small ripples. They're massive, but enough to break down our force field, if you will, of the Earth. Now, we're going to be asking Steve Olson some questions about the waves of energy. We're going to be asking him about Planet X and where he and his observations and the folks he talks to, and he gets a lot of information sent to him, of course. I'll put the link below to his YouTube channel, and his last 2 videos you really want to check out. He's literally discussing with another gentleman the October reversal of the solar winds. Planet X. We finally got Mike around the world after 3 years to confirm there is a Planet X system. Now, exactly what it means is still up for grabs. Is it a planet, a dwarf star? Is it what exactly is it? It's huge, and it has its own solar system with it. It's Mike says it's a binary system from what we have, but much bigger and stronger. That's why it can suck the helium and hydrogen away from our sun. There's a period of time. Let's say this is our sun and our solar system. Here is Planet X coming from the south, and as it and its solar system and planets and moons, as it goes by, at some point, it's so strong in its gravitational pull that it's affecting the planets, the stars, the moons, the asteroids, and it also has an asteroid belt, as we do, that we've just entered into, and those are going to be colliding. There's potential for cosmic storms. This is the Mike from Around the World theory, and he has it based on information, of course, that he shared with us last week. BP Earthwatch also says don't forget Jupiter, because Jupiter has its own weird system, and it operates outside of our solar system. Even though it's part of our solar system, it still has its own deal going with a whole lot of gases and a lot of information. It's huge. And so what I'm saying is we're going to get Steve Olson's perspective on this. And of course, what about Gil Brazard? Was Gil Brazard maybe just off by a year? Here's why. According to Mike from Around the World, the second wave of energy is going to those 3 ripples were ahead of it. And we might get another ripple or 2. But on the 26th of December, we're going to get the second wave of energy 500 times stronger than the one that hit in August 17th of last year, is going to come ashore, if you will. But it continues, that pressure continues for about 100 days. That leads us right in to the March 26th, date, but a year late on Gil Broussard. And Mike from Around the World says between December 26th and 100 days from then, you're going to see some manifestations on the earth that's going to significantly convince people that our earth is being affected by the heavens that are shaking. And Jesus said in the Bible, there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and distress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. And men's hearts will fail them for fear, for looking after those things that are coming upon the earth. For the powers of heaven shall be shaken. Then shall they see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory. When these things begin to come to pass, he said, look up, lift up your head, for your redemption draweth nigh. Steve Olson will be my guest today. Starts at 12 noon Eastern at my website at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. That's www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. 12 noon Eastern. We'll also be on new live stream, Roku satellite, Blog Talk Radio, my website, and of course right here on this YouTube channel live. I'll see you guys at 12 noon. God bless. Are you serious? Are you saved?